pepper jack, 3 eggs, mushrooms. I'm gonna give me some bacon. The right hickory smoked, yeah, hickory smoked bacon. I have my cucumber, my lemon, and my mint leaves. This will be my detox drink. And I use a 2-liter pitcher. Make sure you always rinse off your cucumber, your lemon, and rinse off your mint leaves before you do anything with them. I use life water, and sometimes I use smart water. I cut up a half a cucumber, half a lemon, I slice it. I'm gonna use a whole lemon. I add my lemon into my 2-liter pitcher. I cut up my cucumber. Bay leaves. Not my bay leaves, I'm sorry, with my mint leaves. These are mint leaves. Put them in there. It's not a specific amount that I use. I just put them in there. It don't take long to make. Get it outside for me, baby. There you go. Kind of get it on top again. And stir it. And you let this sit for 24 hours. This will be good tomorrow around about 3, 4 o'clock.